Today let's learn how to print on pop sockets and other small round objects with our X series of UV printers. To begin with, we're going to open iCue. If you haven't already downloaded our entire library of job templates, select Job Templates from the top Options menu. Now let's download Jigset 1. Let's go to the Templates folder now and locate the Jigset folder. From here, let's double-click the 40 Up Golf Balls template and select Yes to make a copy. Now let's just right-click that file and rename it to Pop Sockets. Now we double-click to open the job. Let's now click on the Add-ons tab. Select Image in the drop-down menu. Now locate the image file that you would like to print. Now hit the Place button. Now here in Position, we're going to resize the image to fill the white box. We're now going to print a template so that we can easily place our objects and line them up perfectly. To do this, we're going to go to the Printer Settings tab and under Resolution, select 720 to print the template. When done, hit OK. Now we place the media on the 00 spot, which is in the front right corner of the bed. OK, now let's drag and drop the file to the target printer. To ensure the artwork is centered perfectly, let's now align the four corners of the jig on the top of the media. Now simply place your pop sockets in the spots on the jig. Let's double-click to open the job again and change resolution to 1440. You can also change it to any other resolution to reach your desired output. Click OK. Since we're printing on a dark surface, we'll want to go to the White Options tab and select Entire Job. That will ensure we get a vibrant output, even printing on a dark substrate. Let's just go ahead and click OK and return to the job ticket. Once you've made sure that the print head height is set correctly, all we have to do now is drag and drop the job to the target printer. And just like that, we're printing 40 pop sockets. With the X series of UV printers and our iCue workflow software, the possibilities are endless. Thanks again for joining the tutorial today. It's a great idea to go ahead and download our 1,000 plus job templates so you have them available for future projects. The download may take a few hours. Happy printing!